Good morning, guys. I know I've been slacking on making content, but it's just been super busy. A lot has happened since the track day. I did order new pads, Carbo Tech brake pads from UP Garage. Eventually I'll put those in. I still need to get the fluid flushed. But as you can see here, the car's not here again. But it's not at UP this time. I'm actually finally getting my exhaust work done for my race exhaust. It's a lot louder. I'm still using the full Nismo portion. It's just the axle back portion I'm changing out. We're gonna go and check it out. Should be almost done. Adam at Christle Fabrication's getting it done. But yeah, what's been going on since then? Well, build a whole fence. I won't show that. No point to show you guys, but that took a lot of work. And I got a few other toys. The one truck that I got when I traded the 32, I'll put a picture. Really nice truck, low mileage, but I just needed a bigger cab. Yeah, but I definitely stuck with the Chevy route. This is a Chevy Silverado 1500 short box single cab with high country interior. Thing was super nice. It's sold really quick, and someone definitely really is gonna appreciate it. But yeah, let's see what toys. We're moving some stuff around in the garage right now, right before I pick up the car. But all right, there we go. We picked up a dirt bike that I'm cleaning up. It's a YZ250F. So we'll get some stuff going. I still gotta buy gear and whatnot. And then for the big other toy we got, gonna be different on the channel, but change it up a little bit. You can see we got a little bit of a bigger truck. Now it's a little muddy because I did take it off-road and mudding and stuff, but yeah, GMC Sierra. So, I got the full crew cab, nothing too crazy, but the tires are a little too big for the truck though. They are 35s, and I get some rubbing going on here, so I'm gonna fix that. But yeah, I just got the truck as is, so pretty excited. So let me know if you guys want content off-roading. It is a blast. And then of course I'm gonna get some content on the dirt bikes. And I never showed, I got this one last year. Got this one for the girls, it's TTR 50. So trying to get them learning. I never showed you at the track officially, but the RB28 cover, I'm gonna show you that. But the old one's right there, because now it's the RB28, right? So yeah, anyways, we'll see if we could record at the shop, but if not, I'm going to show you the exhaust anyways. It's going to be super loud, probably annoying, but I don't daily drive it, so yeah, why not? Alright, so we're here getting the car done. I'll try not to look into the torch too much. But yeah, just getting it done. But yeah, eventually I'm going to do equal like downpipes and then go all the way across. The thing with the Nismo, or the full Nismo, it goes downpipes all the way to 2 for a while. And it goes to single, where most of the time the downpipe goes to single. So yeah, eventually I'll replace it all. Yeah, there's the Wildina, a little rusty, but the serial numbers and the model number. So we're gonna set it down, see what it looks like, and then go from there. Oh yeah, look at that. Race car, right? go, there it is. That's awesome. Great work. Got a nice little bend down too, so all that soot doesn't go up on the bumper, especially on the white. All right, first startup, let's hear it. Awesome, thanks Adam, appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, be sure to check out his stuff, and yeah, he does some crazy fabrication work.
Christle fabrication and repair.
There you go, I'll put a link in the description. Mind if I show him that big old turbo thing you're doing? Later, man. But look at this, like, this is some crazy work. Yeah, I don't even know where to begin, but yeah, eventually we'll do the whole thing, but little baby steps at a time. But yeah, I'm super excited. We'll go out and hear it now. Oh man, this thing sounds like a beast now. Like I said, it's not my daily, so it's it won't be so annoying for me. I actually really like it. There's a little bit of rattle in the trunk, but that's because of the original exhaust that I got back there, and then some stuff rattling. So now there's a lot of stuff back there. So this is with the windows down. It's a little wet, so I can't get on too much, but. This thing is so sick now. Thank you again, man. Woo! I'm excited. Alright, so we got a little something special. Bridge. Loud car. Bridge. Yeah, let's hear what it sounds like. I don't know how good it sounded on the camera, but in person, it sounds like a beast. We got it home. Man, it's... I love it. Absolutely love it. The thing that sucks, though, is my strut here finally gave out, so I gotta use a piece of wood to hold my trunk up, so... Yeah, whatever. Yeah, be sure to check out Christle Fab. I'll put Paige in the description below. If you want any work done, he's over here in a local in the area for me, so... Yeah, he's got some sweet merch from him. Christle Fab shirt and sticker. And let me show you what I was going to talk about real quick for the RB28 cover. So my powder coater is Josh at J&S Powder Coating, as you know. But let's go ahead and officially look at the RB28 cover he did for me. Now I had it at the track, so you kind of seen it roughly in that track video, but I failed to point out that project piece. But anyways, here we go. So he shaved the RB26 off and then put these guys on here. The RB28 emblem piece actually came from Australia, so, and then went ahead and powder coated it the same color, and the 26 ones over there. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Quick little video, and I know I haven't shot any videos lately, but yeah, that's it. We got the freaking car. Nice and loud now. And there's the stock actual back portion, but like I said, the whole exhaust from the downpipes back was Nismo, and I didn't want to weld and cut into it, so I wanted everything bolt on so I could put Nismo stuff back on and hold its resale value. So yep, there we go. As always, you guys have a good one. Take care. Peace out.